When I first entered Colorado State University, I really wanted to do chemistry, and I always knew that, but I didn't really know where I wanted to go with the subject. At first, I thought that I wanted to possibly go to medical school after college, and that took me down the path of possibly looking at chemistry and microbiology as two subjects that I would be really interested in taking. I enjoyed it, but for some reason, it just didn't completely fit with me. I really enjoyed the whole research aspect of being able to explore something that you won't be able to learn in a classroom. It's something that nobody else has seen before. But when I started out in that laboratory, it just wasn't the perfect fit for me. And I also realized when I took my first microbiology course that it wasn't exactly what I was truly interested in. I kind of missed doing math and I missed doing physics, and so my second semester freshman year, I decided to just completely drop microbiology and switch from that into physics and math minors. And ever since then, it's just been completely different. I switched from wanting to go into medical school into possibly going into engineering after my undergraduate degree. And so another opportunity that I had, as suggested by Professor Nancy Levinger, was that I could possibly go to Germany on a scholarship through the German Academic Exchange Service to work as an intern for the summer in a research laboratory overseas. And this was a really fantastic opportunity because I was given a stipend to go live in Germany for 3 months, learn a little bit of German, get to know the culture, and then also experience a different type of research than I had done before. Being able to go to Germany for a summer was immensely helpful in trying to figure out my own career path. Science in general is just international, so you have to know everybody, you have to know all the different types of research. There's so many different opportunities that it's hard to choose what you want to specifically do, but the only way that you'll ever be able to figure that out is if you just take that first step and go into a lab. A lot of times in research laboratories, things don't work out the way that you expect them to, but that's part of the fun of it. That's the interesting part, is when you do a reaction, you expect something to come out of it, and then it's completely different. And it's sometimes surprising, sometimes a little bit lets you down a little bit, but in the end, there's always something new that you can discover, and the only way that you can do that is in a research laboratory. And being able to take courses at CSU, understand where I want to go in my life, being able to make mistakes and take the wrong courses, but at the same time learn something entirely new. It's the only thing that you can do in a college experience.